Today, I'll walk you through how to create an API token in JIRA, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to generate your API token so you can seamlessly integrate JIRA with your applications. First, let's open your JIRA dashboard. This is the central hub where all your projects and tasks are managed. If you're unsure where to find it, just log into your JIRA account and you should be greeted by your dashboard. Next, click on your profile avatar located in the upper right corner of the JIRA interface. From the drop-down menu, select either Profile or Account Settings. This is where you can manage your personal settings and preferences. Now, in the top navigation bar, look for the Security tab. This is where JIRA keeps all the important settings related to your account's security, including API tokens, PROI. Once you're in the Security section, click on the option that says Create and Manage API Tokens. This will take you to the area where you can create new tokens and manage existing ones, PROI. Now, it's time to click the Create API Token button. This action will initiate the process of generating your new token, PROI. Next, you'll need to enter a short, memorable label for the token. For example, you might use something like testing integration or automation script. This label will help you identify the purpose of the token later on. Now, after entering the label, click Create. This will generate your API token, which you will need for your integrations. Finally, make sure to click Copy to save the token to your clipboard. This token is essential for connecting JIRA with other applications, so keep it secure and do not share it publicly. Now, there you have it. You've successfully created an API token in JIRA. Remember, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The steps will be similar regardless of the version you are using. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.